Stars form from giant clouds of gas and dust in space, known as molecular clouds or stellar nurseries. The process of star formation involves several stages. 1. Molecular cloud collapse. Gravitational instability. A region within a molecular cloud becomes gravitationally unstable due to disturbances such as nearby supernova explosions or collisions with other clouds. These disturbances cause the cloud to collapse under its own gravity. Fragmentation. As the cloud collapses, it fragments into smaller clumps. Each of these clumps can potentially form a star. 2. Protostar formation, core formation. Within each clump, the densest region forms a core. The gravitational energy from the collapse is converted into thermal energy, causing the core to heat up. Accretion. The core continues to gather material from the surrounding cloud, growing in mass. This process is called accretion. Material forms a rotating disk around the core. More in Part 2.